So I'm going to show you now how to map out a field for precision farming, whereby we're going to add some 2 meter wide beds also. So if I go into block in master setup and click on the blue plus to add a new field. Again, we're in Hartbury. So I click on Hartbury and done. And the block is called lower field. And again, it's in hectares, and I'm gonna say I've got, in this particular case, I'm gonna give a default bed width of 2 meters. So again, I'm choosing an outdoor area. And then if I go to maps, I can zoom in again to my location. And locate my field, which in this case is here. So I start off using my square and laying out the boundaries of my field. Now you can come in a bit if you just want to use the outer of the field. We can put in the headland details at a later stage if we want, so I'm just cutting off areas of that particular field. Okay, so then I've got my field area here, which is 2.03 hectares, and I can now change the tool to give me an AB line. So that shows us the direction of how we're going to map the field. So I'll give it a starting row number and just say done. And you can see which way the fields are actually, and the beds will be formed. So in this particular case, I'm going to form the beds that way. So once I've given it the AB line, I can then auto-fill the beds. So if I then go to the block sizes, you'll see it's filled in. So it's calculated that in my field, I'm going to get 70 rows. And it's given me the length of each row. The width is my 2 meters, and it gives me the sizes as well. So if I just save that and just choose done, okay, and then just save, it will then save that particular field, lower field, with the correct number of hectares and the bay numbers. So if I just go back into that section, you'll see it's recorded the information. And if I go back into the maps, it's got my, so this is bed number 1 and this is bed number 70. So this field is now ready for planting.